Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question. We have 4 raised to power x minus 2 is and we need to find out the value of x, right? So here you know what is 4? 4 is actually 2 square, right? So I will write it as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. What is 40? If I prime factorize 40, 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So I can write 40 as 2 cube times 5, right? Okay. Here a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power mn. That means here the powers will get multiplied. It will get 2 multiply x minus 2 is equal to 2 cube times 5, right? Now we will get 2 raised to power 2 multiply x 2x, 2 multiply to 4 is 2 cube multiply 5, right? Okay, here 2 raised to power 2x minus 4. If I divide both sides with 2 cube, what will I get? Because I want to simplify the power of 2. I will get here 2 cube times 5 by 2 cube, right? This will cancel out. Now here we are left with a raised to power m by a raised to power n is actually a raised to power m minus n. So this can be written as, this left hand side can be written as 2 raised to power 2x minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 5. Here now we have 2 raised to power 2x minus 7 is equal to 5, right? So now taking log both sides, we have 2x minus 7 log 2 is equal to log 5, right? Now what can we do next? We have we can take 2x minus 7, we can leave here, and this log 5 by log 2. Log 2 will go there, or you can say dividing both sides with log 2, right? So you have 2x minus 7 is equal to log to the base 2 5, because log to the base a b is log b by log a. So I wrote this a as base. Okay. So 2x is equal to log to the base 2 5, and this 7 will add in this term, and then x is equal to log to the base 2 5 plus 7 by 2. Either you can leave the answer here, or you can find out the value of log if you are provided log table, and then substitute it here. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you get it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.